In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on email notifications in Gmail for desktops and laptops. Whether you're anticipating an important email or simply want to stay updated without constantly checking your inbox, setting up desktop notifications can be a real game changer for your productivity. Let's dive right into it. To get started, open your preferred web browser and head over to your Gmail account. Once you're logged in, you'll notice a gear icon situated in the top right corner of the screen. Clicking on this icon will reveal a drop-down menu with several options. From here, you want to select See All Settings. This option is pivotal as it unlocks a comprehensive view of Gmail's configuration and customization capabilities. After clicking on See All Settings, you'll be directed to a new page with multiple tabs. Focus on the first tab labeled General. This is where we'll find the option to toggle desktop notifications. As you scroll down the General tab, keep an eye out for a section specifically labeled Desktop Notifications. It might be nestled among various other settings, but rest assured that it's there. Now that you've located the Desktop Notifications section, it's time to choose how you'd like to receive your alerts. Gmail offers a couple of choices tailored to suit different notification needs. The first option is New Mail Notifications On. Selecting this will enable alerts for all new messages that land in your primary inbox. This is a great option if you want to stay up to date with every single email you receive. The second choice available is Important Mail Notifications On. Choosing this option means that you'll only receive notifications for emails that Gmail deems important. Gmail usually determines importance based on factors like who the sender is and how often you interact with them. This setting can be especially useful if you want to limit your notifications to only the most essential emails. At this point, you've successfully navigated through the necessary settings, and your desktop notifications are now active. Keep in mind that for these notifications to function as intended, your web browser may prompt you to allow notifications from Gmail. Be sure to grant this permission, otherwise, you won't receive the alerts you're setting up. By following this guide, you've taken an important step towards streamlining your email management. Remember, you can always return to the settings if you need to adjust your preferences or turn off notifications entirely. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this tutorial has successfully assisted you in managing your Gmail notifications. Feel free to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe for more tips and tricks to enhance your digital experience.